In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do reconciliation in Zoho Books. Let's simplify this process so you can effortlessly match your financial records with your bank statements, ensuring your books are accurate and up to date. The first step in this journey is to access the banking module. On the left side of your Zoho Books dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options lined up. Scroll through them until you find the banking section. It's your gateway to managing financial transactions, so go ahead and click on it. Now, it's time to select the bank account you want to reconcile. You might have multiple accounts linked to Zoho Books, but for today, we'll focus on just one of them. Take your time to find and choose the account that's ready for reconciliation. With your bank account selected, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is where the real magic begins. From the drop-down menu, select Reconcile Account. This will guide you to set the reconciliation wheels in motion. Next up, it's time to enter your reconciliation details, a crucial step for accuracy. Click on Initiate Reconciliation, a simple action that opens up a more detailed page. Here you'll input the start date and end date for your reconciliation period. Make sure these dates align with your bank statement to avoid any confusion later. In addition, enter the closing balance as it appears on your bank statement. Once all the fields are accurately filled, hit the Start Reconciliation button and you're one step closer to completing the process. Moving on, let's tackle the task of matching transactions. On this screen, you'll see a list of transactions that Zoho Books has recorded. Your goal is to carefully review and select the transactions that correspond with those on your bank statement. If you spot any missing entries, there's no need to worry. Simply click on the +Add Transaction button to fill in those gaps with ease. Double-checking your work is a smart move. Make sure the cleared amount matches up with the closing balance you entered earlier. If something seems off, don't fret. Click on the edit icon next to the closing balance to make any necessary adjustments, ensuring that everything aligns perfectly. Before wrapping things up, consider attaching supporting documents like bank statements or receipts. While it's optional, it's a good practice for record keeping, and it can be done effortlessly by clicking the Attach File option. Finally, when you're confident that all transactions are accounted for and the balances are aligned, it's time to seal the deal. Click on Reconcile to finalize the process and breathe a sigh of relief. If you're not ready to complete the task just yet, you can choose to save and reconcile later, giving you the flexibility to return to it when you're ready. And there you have it, a streamlined guide to reconciliation in Zoho Books that's both thorough and easy to follow. Happy reconciling, and see you in the next video.